Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. John Adams. John Adams was an important figure in American history. He was a founding father, the first vice president, and the second president of the United States. Early life. Adams was born in Braintree, now Quincy, Massachusetts, to a farming family with roots in the Puritan community. He studied at Harvard University, where he earned both an undergraduate and a master's degree. He became a lawyer in 1758. Political career. Adams became a leader in the fight for independence, strongly opposing the Stamp Act of 1765. He wrote articles against this law, arguing that colonists should not be taxed without their consent. In 1770, he defended British soldiers in the Boston Massacre trial, showing his belief in justice even when it was unpopular. He was elected to the Massachusetts Assembly and represented the colony at the First Continental Congress in 1774. Adams played a key role in writing the Declaration of Independence in 1776, working with Thomas Jefferson and others. After the Revolutionary War, Adams served as a diplomat in Europe, helping to negotiate the Treaty of Paris in 1783. He returned to America in 1788 and was elected as the first vice president under George Washington in 1789. Presidency. In 1796, Adams was elected president as the Federalist candidate, beating Thomas Jefferson, who led the Democratic-Republican Party. His presidency faced challenges, including the quasi-war with France. Adams tried to keep peace through diplomacy instead of going to war, but public opinion turned against him, and he lost the 1800 election. Personal life. Adams married Abigail Smith, his third cousin, in 1764. They had 6 children: Abigail, John Quincy, Susanna, Charles, Thomas Boylston, and Elizabeth. He often had to be away from home for work, which both he and Abigail felt was important for the country. After his presidency, Adams lived quietly on his farm in Quincy, where he continued to write and keep in touch with Jefferson. They both died on July 4, 1826, which was also the 50th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence. Legacy. John Adams is remembered for his strong commitment to freedom and justice. He and his son, John Quincy Adams, who also became president, are one of only 2 father-son pairs to hold the office in U.S. history. His efforts during the early years of the United States are still celebrated today.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.